Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building and playing with the IKEA Lillabo 20-piece wooden train set. This set comes with 3 colorful trains, wooden tracks, and even a bridge, so we can build a fun figure-8 railway. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find 20 pieces: straight tracks, curved tracks, a bridge, and 3 magnetic trains. All the tracks are made of solid wood, and each train is painted with safe, non-toxic colors. Let's build the figure-8 layout. It's super easy. Just connect the curved pieces, add the straight sections, and place the bridge in the center. Kids will love watching the trains climb up and roll down. Now the fun part, playtime. The 3 trains connect with magnets, so kids can build a long train or play with them separately. And every time the train goes through the bridge, it feels like a magical tunnel leading to a new adventure. Besides being fun, the Lillabo set also helps kids develop motor skills, imagination, and logical thinking.